Mm.
This study is titled Estimating Songbird Abundance with Drones, and we analyzed a new method of surveying birds through the use of drone technology. You might be thinking, why do bird surveys even matter? Not only are birds really cool, but they are excellent indicators of environmental health. Bird surveys help us monitor bird populations, conduct bird ecology studies,
Mm.